Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a digital planner and sell this as a digital product on Etsy.com, and you can also run Facebook ads to sell this, and also you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So first of all, we'll go to Etsy.com. Etsy.com is a marketplace where you can sell physical products as well as digital products. So the digital product is a product in which you can create one time, and it sells throughout your life. So here I search planner. So as you can see, digital planner 2024, digital planner iPad, and after that digital planner the girl student digital planner daily, digital planner premium, and digital planner. And you can see the reviews and sales. It's great. So the software in which we create a planner is called Canva. And if you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. You can easily uh, use it. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I completely upload the playlist named Canva designing course, through which you can learn the Canva A to Z. So here I search for planner. So I click on weekly planner. So I choose any of the template, like I like this one. Customize the template. And I want to change the style because I want to make it unique. And yeah, so I like no, yeah, this one is good, but I think it's look good. So after that you can also increase the size, and this is the main file. So if now if you want to share this template to client, so go to, you can also give it through download, or you can also share the link. So client, if client want to change something in it, so he can change it by this. So click on anyone with the link can edit, because client have to edit it, and copy link and send this link to the client. So that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.